How do you find products to sell on Amazon? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you a really simple way to come up with oodles of lovely money-making ideas to sell on Amazon. Now, if you like this kind of information, we're helping you build your e-commerce empire. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I will know that you want more content just like this. Also consider subscribe to my YouTube channel, post brand new money-making information just like this each and every day. If you've got any questions or comments, comment below and I'll answer personally for you. With that being said, let me show you how to do it. Here we are on eBay. And eBay is a kind of interesting website. Sue Josephson, who is our resident eBay queen, often tells me that eBay is about twice the size in terms of total visits in Australia anyway that they get. So if you're not selling on eBay and you sell on Amazon, really, you are absolutely leaving money on the table. Okay, so eBay, how does this help us? Well, if you go into eBay's itself, I just go search for anything. So here I've just done a search for quilt, because I'm looking for a quilt, a summer quilt for us, because it's friggin' hot here. So it got me thinking about that. And so if we click onto here, so this one, for instance, we can see here that this one has sold 1,204 units. Okay, so it gives us that information directly on the eBay product details page. Okay. And it also tells us as well, on some listings, how many were sold in the last 24 hours, which is kind of cool to get that information as well. So you can do something with that information. So what I put together for you is this. So I've got two different ways to use this. The first one is this, 1,204 units sold. Go to Google. So here's a search string, okay? Let me explain what this search string is. The first word, quilt, that's in quotation marks, okay? That tells Google that you're looking to make sure any results that you give to me have got that on the product, on the details page, okay? On the web page. Next is 20, and then up to 10,000, so 3 dots and then 10,000. That tells Google that you're looking to have a sequence of numbers on the page that could be anywhere between 20 and 10,000, okay? So you can alter that. You can make that 200 if you want to, or you can make that 1,000 if you want to, okay? I just got 20 to 10,000, okay? Next, another word is sold. That again is in speech marks. And again, that tells Google that that word must appear on the web page. And then we want to use what's called in URL. So in URL, and then it's on that website, ebay.com.au/ITM. Okay. So that's that there, look. ebay.com.au/ITM. That's where that comes from. So by using that, what we're going to get returned to us is all of the instances on ebay.com.au where the word quilt appears, the word sold appears, and any numbers between 20 and 10,000 appear. And we've got, as you can see, a lot of results. So you get, as you can see, a lot of potential ideas for things you can actually use. So this has got 248 sold, for instance, 3 sold, for instance, 768. So you can use this in all sorts of different niches. Like I've done quilt, but you can use it for all sorts of different niches. So that's one way of using this, okay? But you can go a little bit deeper too, because you can see here, we can also sometimes have that on 11 sold in last 24 hours, okay? So that's a very important thing, because that tells you the actual sales velocity, daily sales velocity of a product. So you can use pretty much the same thing. So again, it's quilt, This time it's 5 for 30. Works for me, Neil. Good stuff. Sold in last 24 hours. So it must have that on the page. In URL, blah, blah, blah. And you can see that comes up when you do that. Okay. So again, you can now find high selling items, daily sales on eBay, and then use those to get ideas to sell on Amazon. Okay. That works really, really well as well. Super easy hack. Use your imagination. It's got incredible potential to find shitloads of high selling products without the need to go and get a piece of software called Terapeak, which again used to be really good, but now is not. Yeah, without the need to go and acquire that software, that will just do it all for you for free. Okay, super cool. That was a video from the Monday night regular Q&A session I host with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia. Over 2,500 members and growing, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you're not in Australia, no worries at all. You can still come and join us. And to find out more about what we do, and of course to join us as well, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link is below for that. That's www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. And I will see you on the next video. Till then, have a great one. Make some cash. Bye.